So early on in my career, I thought that I would work smarter rather than harder. I would sit open houses that were a higher price point because it would be more valuable for me to get one $800,000 buyer than to spin my wheels with four $200,000 buyers. What I found though was when I did open houses in that price point, the buyers that came through either had representation. They said, I'm working with Joe Ozorek already, so no thank you. They were very savvy sorts of buyers. And I was kind of a rookie at that point, and I felt like they could sense that. So my thought process is kind of to go where the sweet spot is in the market. So I think that it's kind of around your median home price. Right now, our median home price is like $400,000. So doing your open houses that are sort of right around that sweet spot of maybe $350 to $450, I think is going to get you the most activity. It's going to have, the most potential people that are in the market. But again, you have to find your own sweet spot. Again, there's no magic pill to this. If you find that you do better with open houses in the $500,000 price point, do it. If you find that you're getting more leads off of a $250,000 price point, do that. Do what you find is going to bring you the most traffic.